Today, trading activity in the global markets is rather high. Despite sharp fluctuations in the US dollar index, the Russian ruble's dynamics are relatively calm. At the same time, the trend of the oil prices is bullish. However, their growth is likely to remain tepid until the epidemiological situation in India improves. Yesterday's data on US oil inventories is likely to support the dynamics of oil prices. A decrease in crude stocks is expected to boost oil demand. Therefore, the quotes will hardly drop considerably. The current situation in the commodity market is rather uncertain. Oil prices retreated from an 8-week high on Thursday amid concerns over the coronavirus outbreak in India, the world's third largest oil consumer. Earlier, oil quotes peaked in almost 2 months thanks to the upbeat demand forecasts from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and the International Energy Agency. Today, Brent crude is trading at around $67.50. The general trend of oil prices is bullish, but the situation in India is exerting some downward pressure on the quotes. That's why oil prices have entered a downward corrective phase. Brent is anticipated to trade in the range between $67 and $68 per barrel. US WTI crude was trading at $65.20 in the early session. According to analysts, the benchmark is expected to remain in a range between $64 and $67 per barrel. The US oil pipeline closed after the cyber attack has not yet been restored. In addition, the southeastern US experienced cases of fuel supply disruptions. As a result, gasoline prices rose by more than 30 cents a gallon. Despite strong fluctuations in the US dollar index, the Russian ruble is surprisingly calm. Today, the dollar-ruble pair is trading at 74.40. Its anticipated trading range is 73.50–75.50 rubles per dollar. Analysts admit a possible increase in activity at midday by the time US jobs data is released. The euro's rally fizzled after the release of the US inflation data. Today, the ruble has settled at 89.90. In the near future, the quotes are projected to remain between 89.40 and 90.50 rubles per euro. Both short-term and long-term forecasts, the Russian currency is likely to gain in value. If sentiment in global markets improves, the Russian currency will have a chance to continue its bullish run. This growth can be spurred by high levels in the energy market as well as easing geopolitical tensions. But now traders need to closely monitor the situation around oil prices. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.